Before you consider undergoing knife, here are some very simple tips to give yourself a facelift with makeup and with some very simple but mind-blowing hacks. Welcome to Blush with me. So I have my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Henna. I'll start with my forehead and continue with tips as I go down on my face. This way it will be easier for you to remember the steps. Number 1 is to contour a certain parts of your face. Now contour your forehead, your cheekbones, your jaw, your chin, and your eyes. Also, when you contour under your lips, it lifts that puffy, droopy underlip area. And contouring just above your cupid bow, right in the middle here, creates that nice upturned lip look effect. So when you contour your forehead, this area, it creates the appearance of pulling your face up. Contouring this part of your jawline again lifts your jaw area. Also contouring the sides of your chin elongates it. It's like without surgery you get a chin implant. Again, contouring just this part of your cheekbones lifts your cheekbone area. Contouring this part of your eyes pushes your hooded eyes up. Overall, this gives you a very nice chiseled, lifted face look. Now when you're highlighting, of course you highlight under your eyes to lift your under eye area. Also remember to come a little low so that you can lift your cheekbone area as well. Together these two play a very important role. When you're contouring, this kind of pinches this area and highlighting lifts that area, so you get that nice lifted cheekbone effect. And when you conceal the sides of your nose and sides of your mouth, it kind of lifts and disappears or vanishes those deep lines that are developing in these two areas. Now you can't see the folds that are forming around your nose or the droopy look effect that starts developing as you age. I also use a little concealer on this part of my cheek to create that more lifted effect. Now eyebrows play a very important part when you're doing this. Make sure to create a higher arch with the eyebrow pencil. Don't go with your natural shape, create a little bit of an arch right here, not all the way on the outside, somewhere in the middle, and then extend it out. And when you're on the inner ends of your eyebrows, go slightly lower. So the inner ends go lower and the arch goes a little bit higher, creating that nice arched eyebrow look, which is the key to creating this look. If you take a little bit of a concealer and clear out the areas right under your eyebrows and sharpen out the edges right above your eyebrows, it again highlights your eyebrows a lot more and brings attention to the uplifted part of your face. Now when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I pick a neutral color, nothing purple, orange, red, blue, none. This light brown shade from this matte palette is awesome because it is the most neutral shade and it's almost like I don't have any eyeshadow, but it's like invisible lift to my face. Because what is the point if somebody can see the eyeshadow? The idea is nobody should be able to notice all of this in your face when you're walking out. It should just create that natural lift. So a natural lift means natural colors. If you've noticed how Ariana Grande contours her eyes when she's doing her eyes, her eyeshadow doesn't just stop here. She actually lifts a very neutral shade all the way up here. I'm going to use a brown eye pencil from MAC.
With your eyeliner, avoid going down all the way till where your lash line ends. Stop just a little before that and create a lift. This is not exactly a winged eyeliner look, but definitely a lifted eye effect. Also notice, me using a brown eyeliner is not as severe as using a black eyeliner. And also I pull down my inner corners of my eyes, so it creates a more diagonally lifted eye look. Volumizing and lifting mascara by MAC to lift my lashes.
So I'm using Manna Kadar's Paradise Blush for my blush. Flush cheek look, which is mostly here, is really nice and pretty and innocent look. But if you want to lift your face, go right above your contour line, like in this area. The idea is that you should not be able to see the color sitting on your face. It has to be well blended with your contour line. So it looks like it's a natural shape of your face. So I use it on the highest part of my cheekbone and right over the arched part of my eyebrow. And whatever is left on the brush, I just blend it in a C. So when the light falls here, you see this part really nice and highlighted and lifted. And you can still see that nice neutral brown eyeshadow that was extended beyond my eyelid area. So I use this M5 from Mented Cosmetics. Talking about natural colors, again, when I have to outline my lips, I use a very natural brown lip pencil. No pinks, no reds. I've used something very neutral, and inside you can go with any color. For women who are aging, who have fine lines, wrinkles, and the droopiness around your mouth, it's very important to follow this step. Just stop right before your lip actually ends, right? Somewhere here. So it kind of reduces the length of your mouth, which occurs mostly as the mouth starts drooping. So we reduce the size of your upper lip. So overall it gives your mouth that final lifted effect. Continue to line your lower lip the way you do. Again, I would suggest a little bit of overlining makes them pop. And the shade Rose from Maelle Beauty is the lipstick shade I'm wearing here.
Now my next hack is very crucial in creating this lifted, tightened face look. So notice how I tighten my face from within and kind of suck it between my ears and forehead to create that lifted look. It's like it irons out the hooded eyes, your jowls, your cheekbones, your forehead all at once. Now it's a trick that I have shown in my how to pose or how to look good in pictures, those videos. It's just something that we all can do with a little bit of practice. But trust me, the results are outstanding. I in general do it multiple times as a face exercise as well. If you have long hair, then pulling your hair into a bun or a ponytail, especially on the sides, can create that nice lifted eyes and cheekbone effect. I have short hair, so unfortunately I can't do that, but you can.
So what you're seeing is lift, 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 lift everywhere. And that's it. That is my final look. I will make another amazing videos on hacks to make your skin appear younger. with makeup. Click up here to watch my other videos that you will find helpful. Before I ask you what you thought about my today's video, I have a question for you about my forthcoming video about beauty hacks, ultimate beauty hacks. This is going to be one amazing video that will make you go, oh, why didn't I think about it before? So how about I give you this chance to think about it. Give me an ultimate beauty hack that you think I could add to that video. Also give me your opinion on today's video. Comment section is open. I'm excited to see how many of you will hit that subscribe button, that like button, that share button, and how many of you will jump onto Instagram and follow me there. Some of you are on Facebook, so make sure to follow my Facebook fan page too. You can see all my social media handles right now on the screen and in the description below. And trust me, my other social media platforms are a lot of fun to follow too, because I am there pretty much every day posting stories and whatnot. The products I used in today's video are linked in the description. I am Parmita, your Chicago-based image coach and photographer. On my channel, you can watch entertaining yet informative videos on self-care, lifestyle, fitness, beauty, and everything you want to learn about being a confident woman. Because Blush with me, Parmita, is all about finding, accepting, and improving your personalities. See you here again next week. Until then, blush with me.